Welcome. In this segment of our pre-K phonemic awareness, we're going to be going over blending words and segmenting words. And what that means is we're going to be using a whole word in separating and adding two words. So, for example, in the blending words, the mentor, which is I will be showing you two words. Those are two whole words. And what we're going to do is we're going to combine those two whole words and blend them to make a whole word. And in this segment, I also will be showing you some hand gestures. So, for instance, we're going to do the first example, and the words are airport. Airport. So what I did was the hand motion of the punch out. So I used that for the first part, which is separating to the two words, air, port, and then the child will be combining them together with me and making a whole word to airport. So let's continue. Our first word will be notebook. Notebook. Very good. That's how we're going to be doing the rest of these, okay? This is the blending words. So we're blending the two words together. Okay, the next one is notebook. Now you try it. Good. Now let's do that together, and then we'll do together the whole word. Let's start with our arm going across. Note, book, notebook. And when we come to the part where we're gathering that two words into a whole word, let's clap it together. Okay, let's continue and do another one. Sand, box. Now your turn. Now let's do all of it together. Sand, box, sandbox. Very good. Now let's try two more. Moon, light. Now your turn. Now let's do this together. Moon, light, moonlight. Very good. One more. Ready? Pine, cone. Now it's your turn. Okay, now let's do it together. Pine, cone, pine cone. Very good. And that's how we do our blending words. Now let's do some segmenting words. Here, we're going to use a different method of our hand gestures, okay? So, we're going to use the compound word. So, it's the whole word. When we say compound, that means the whole word. And then, we're going to segment into two words. So now, we're going to do the opposite of what we just did. So we're going to take the whole word, and then we're going to separate it into two words. So for these hand gestures, I'm going to put my hands with my palms up, and that's going to be the whole word. And then I'm going to take the hand up for one word, and my left hand up for my second word. Let's try that again. Whole word, right hand for the first word, left hand for the second word. Okay, got that? All right. So, we're going to do an example. And my example is going to be the word outside. That's the whole word, outside. Now let's separate it into two words. Out, side. Very good. Remember, we want to start with our right and then our left. Okay. The first word will be teaspoon. That's the whole word. Now let's separate it. Tea, spoon. Very good. Now the next one, I'd like you to repeat it after me. Mailbox. Good. Mailbox. Good. Very good. Now let's do another word. What about backside? That's the whole word. Let's separate it into two. So you repeat backside. Good. Now we're going to do back, side. Very good. That is how we're doing our segmenting words. We have two more words. Let's do sidewalk. Repeat. Now let's do our two words. Sidewalk. Very good. Now we have one more to do. And the whole word is popcorn. That's the whole word. Now let's segment that into two words. Good. Popcorn. Popcorn. Very nicely done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe something that parents you can practice is I always like thinking about activities we can do at home, and with adding and segmenting, it's kind of like adding, if you're making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you're adding the peanut butter and the jelly. That's kind of what the blending is. And the segmenting is more like taking that peanut butter sandwich, putting it on a plate, and cutting it in half. So it was a whole, and now it's two. So you might come up with some other activities that, that your child may understand. You know, it takes us a lot of different ways to learn. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you at the next one.